Hello everyone, it's Recharger here and welcome to another 118 scale video. And in today's video we have a Sunstar, American Collectibles. This is the 1982 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. A very cool looking Camaro, is one of my most favorites of all time. Once had a chance to get this one in real life, but obviously if there's no video of it on my channel, then I didn't get it. But it is what it is. Can't get anything. But I would totally trade a lot of my models for the real thing if I had any place to keep it. Since I don't, well, it is what it is now. Okay, the door's already opening up on it. Let's see, what do I need? I need also, yeah, 3 screws. I've been lazy. Get this thing. Well, I think after moving, I wasn't really keen on getting anything on 4 screws. I just was like, okay, the car is tightened down. Yes, okay, and that's it. Okay. Okay, I remember when I got this one, it had a slight issue. These, like, it is a T-top, so these are removable, these plastic bits here, but one of them was damaged, and I had, like, to file it down so I would be able to get it in. So you might see this here, like, see some, like, white plastic. It's just because I had to file it down so I can get it in there. So these things sometimes happen. I don't know what's the quality now for Sunstar models, but back when I was getting them, not the best quality. I even got one model which its entire front was put on upside down. So I had to unscrew the model and actually rip it off because it was glued on there, of course. So I had to rip it off, then put it back up, like the right side up, and glue it on. So, but that model I think will be in a future video sometime. So that story might come up again. So, for this one, as you can see, we have very nice lights, fog lights. And I don't think those are like turning lights on these. Well, turning lights are on this side. So, you got like distance lights and daylights. I don't know if the daylights are like are all 4, but they're there. And your details for the side, you got the Z28 logo there. We have the stock rims, BF Goodrich tires. Can't really see if there's any brake discs in there or not. I don't think there are, because I don't see anything in there. So that would be that. It is a little bit dusty, as most of my models, big models are, which have been sitting in the storage. I don't know how the dust gets into the boxes, but it finds its way, which is interesting for sure. This one doesn't have an opening back, but it has, as you can see, it has a textured, soft, like material in the back of it, so it's not just plastic. There's your tail lights, old-fashioned big ones, right there. All the same, basically the same stuff on this side. So that would be that. Let's go to the bottom. The bottom is pretty basic, nothing much. Wheels do turn. There's no suspension, so you got your exhaust system, which is just kooky as it is. I don't know why does it go to this side, just and then suddenly comes back to the middle. Why could they just make it go straight to the middle? It is a bit weird and confusing, but apparently that's how it did for this car. So let's get into the engine bay. The hood doesn't stay open, so I have to hold it, but you can see it has quite a good amount of detail. You got your fluids and everything visible. A little bit dust on the top there. There's a lot of dust right the back there, but I'm not going to bother with that right now. But yeah, there's the details underneath there. Can go for the doors. As you can see, it's also soft texture all over the floor, so it's pretty nice. Go to this side. Same thing here. It's an automatic. This one has two pedals. As you can see, there's a gas, and there's also a brake pedal in there. Shifter is also, if you can see it, it's an automatic. So the steering wheel does turn when you turn the wheels. Oh, something got stuck a little bit, but everything's fine. And as in for the top, like I said, they do come off. So you can have the T-top version if you want to. I don't really like it. It looks like in real life that would be a cool thing, but as a display you can see all like the holes and everything. It doesn't really look all that good without them, in my opinion. So I prefer to have them. They are see-through, as you can see. I prefer them on the vehicle. There we go. Yep, they're on. So yeah, nothing much. It is a very cool. There's a roll also. So if you were wondering about that, it is a very cool model, in my opinion. Would suggest. I have not seen anybody else make this. At least I have not searched it up. But this one's definitely not going anywhere, and this one will stay in my collection because, like I said, this is one of my most favorite Camaros of all time. So yeah. Hope you guys liked it. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.